Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to talk about how to set up alerts for unusual spendings on Bright. Do you want to catch suspicious activities the moment it happens? Well, here's how to set up alerts for unusual spendings on Bright. Start by opening the Bright app and tapping on your profile icon. Go to settings and then tap notifications. Now choose spending alerts. Here you'll find an option for unusual activities or spending outside normal patterns. Toggle this on. You can customize how you get alerts, whether it's push notifications, email, or SMS. To make the alerts smarter, tap Set Spending Thresholds and then define what qualifies as unusual for you. For example, transactions over a certain amount or purchase in unfamiliar locations. Bright will monitor your account in real time and notify you immediately if anything suspicious happens. Early detection can save you a lot of stress and a lot of money. Like, share, and subscribe for more Bright safety and savings tips.